Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Here's a quick lesson on how to draw Angry Bird. Start with a circle. If you have trouble drawing a circle, you could just trace around a round object. Now, Angry Bird has angry eyebrows, and they're just in the shape of a V here. So you're just going to make a V. And then he has angry eyes, so there's one eyeball and the other eyeball. And beady little black eyes, like that. Now his beak comes here, and it's sort of a triangle like that. And then here's another triangle as the bottom. And underneath his beak, it's not red, so we're not going to color that part in. And on each side here, he has darker circles. 3 there. And he has 3 here, but we're only going to be able to see 2. And I'm just going to put 2 little frown lines right there. And now we'll make his feathers, like that. And then his tail feathers are just 1, 2, 3. Go over your lines with your Sharpie marker. Now you can erase your pencil lines. I'm going to leave those marks in, color him in. Now I'm just going to go over these lines. I'm going to darken in these circles, like that.